Hey guys, my name's Daniel. I'm just giving a quick shout out and video for Russell de Pena. I just wanted you guys to know from me, why I like working with him, and I have a few notes in regards to what I've learned and why I enjoy it and what I look forward to, and I just wanted to make sure I got my, all my points across. So the first thing, Russ challenges all my thinking, which I appreciate. Just when you thought you learned everything, you realize you didn't. And then as you're learning those new things, the other thing I like is Russ is always there for me. So he's easy to get a hold of. If I have any questions or need any assistance, as I'm learning these new things and implementing them, I know I can count on him and trust him, and he'll walk me through step by step on accomplishing that particular thing. Also too, in regards to that, if I have any new ideas, he helps me implement them, shows me why you want to do other things along with your new idea, or sometimes more importantly, he shows, why you don't want to do something in regards to your new idea, or maybe you don't want to implement your new idea at all because it's not going to benefit you. Also too, what I look forward to is building my subscribers and learning to provide massive value to my subscribers. One of the things that I've learned, and Russ always drives home with me, is that you want people to know, like, and trust you. So I look forward to learning how to earn massive trust with my subscribers and learning to understand my followers. So you give them what they want, and if you always give them what they want, then you'll be good to go. And also too, learning how to lead and teach by example. So what I can say with Russ is he doesn't do anything or teach you anything that he's not doing himself. So that's very important to me, and I appreciate that with Russ, and hope this testimonial helps you guys. Thanks.